Hi guys, happy Tuesday. So today we're going to be talking about multiples of 7. So last week we talked about multiples of 6, and your job last week was to study your multiples of 6. So at this point you should be able to count by 6s if you've looked at it every single day. If you still cannot, by memory, count by 6s, you should leave the by 6s multiple sheet up on your mirror, up on your door, in your house, just so you can keep looking at it and referring it to it. You should be able to say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Mrs. Ferrer needs to study these a little bit. I was actually brain freezing for a minute. 54, 60. So this week we're going to talk about multiples of 7. So you might have to keep working on 6s and then add multiples of 7 on as well. So 7, of course, as you might remember, is my lucky number. And I love 7 because there's 7 days in the week. And we've sung this song in school. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then there's Saturday. And if we look at a calendar, 1 week, which was 1 row of days, is 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then there's Saturday. If we look at this calendar bigger, then we know that in school we've made calendars like this before. And the beginning of every month, Mrs. Ferrer writes down the month of the year, which this month is May, and it's the year of 2020. And Friday was the 1st, and then you go through, and today is actually the 26th of May right here. So we can see that if you look, when Mrs. Ferrer made the calendar at school and wrote all the birthdays and field trips and things like that, that each week has 7 days. So here we have the actual factors of 7. So these are things that you're just going to have to kind of memorize, just like we did with the 6s. It's not something that there's a trick like the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, the 0s, the 1s. Those are really easy. Same with 5s. 7s are a bit trickier, so you're just going to have to take the time to just kind of say the numbers over and over again until they become your memory. So we say 7s by saying 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. You might have to do it 2 or 3 times a day. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. So if you keep practicing them just like you did last week with the 6s, it will become really easy for you to remember your multiples of 7. So the reason you need to know your multiples of 7 is because then when you need to multiply by 7, for example, if someone said to you, what is 7 times 4? If you don't know that fact yet, you could say, okay, I have 4 fingers up, so we're just going to count these 4 fingers here. And you'd say 7, 14, 21, 28. Oh, 7 times 4 is 28 because I counted by 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. If someone said to you, someone said to me, Mrs. Ferrer, what's 7 times 7? Well, I might take my 7 fingers right here and count by 7 on those. I might say 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Oh, 7 times 7 is 49. That's very easy if I know how to count by 7s. Drawing 7 groups and putting 7 things in each group, it takes a lot of time. It's way easier to know how to count by 7. So this will definitely help when someone asks you next year when you're in 3rd grade and every year after that, how many days are in 7 weeks? Well, I know there's 7 days in 1 week, and so for 7 weeks, I would have 49 days, because 7 times 7 is 49. So now, here is the assignment of the day. You need to, just like we did last week with our 6s, you need to write these numbers down on a piece of paper. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Write them on a piece of paper. Hang them on the bathroom mirror or your bedroom mirror. Hang them on your front door, your bedroom door, next to your bed, wherever you're going to look at them every day, and you can look at them at least once or twice a day. You know, a great place that Gabe and Tolly hang their stuff is on their kitchen refrigerator, because they always go for a snack or a drink, and every time they open up the fridge, they go through what they need to memorize, and they kind of read through it as a little reminder. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. So right now, what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video. I want you to write down these numbers. I'm going to say them one more time. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Write those down on a piece of paper and make sure you put them right in order, because this is 1 group of 7, 2 groups of 7, 3 groups of 7, 4 groups of 7, 5 groups of 7, 6 groups of 7, 7 groups of 7, 8 groups of 7, 9 groups of 7, and 10 groups of 7. So they need to make sure they go in order. Then hang it either on your door, hang it on your refrigerator, hang it on your mirror, wherever works for you, that you're going to see it and you're going to keep repeating it so you memorize it. It becomes part of your brain's constant ability to remember things. And take a picture of it, send it to me, and I'll give you your point. Today we will have Zoom. It is a Jeopardy day, which I'm so excited about, 1 o'clock. And I can't wait to see you guys. I hope you're well. Love you. Miss you. See you at 1 o'clock. Bye.